So if you want to go ahead and manage out your tasks inside of Thunderbird, then you can go around onto the left hand side and then choose tasks right here. So once you go ahead and do that, this is the tasks section right here, which is linked with your calendar as well. So over here you see all of the calendars that you have, and if I were to go around and then go to new task right here, then I have an option to create a new task right here. Or you can also go around over here and immediately, let's say for example, say sample tasks to do right here, just like this, press enter, and then this task is here. You can go ahead and check out the task that has been completed or uncheck it out, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and you can also see that you can go around and filter it out by mark as completed right here and so forth right here, or go around and say 0% complete or 50% complete right here, just like this, and set the priority level for that particular task as well, and exclamation mark will come up accordingly. You can set the category which aligns with your calendar right here, and delete out the task as well. And this is how you can go around, and you can see that if I were to go around, type in, let's say for example, M right here, then meeting right here, just like this, then it'll only filter out the meeting task right here. So this is the task area, and over here on the left hand side you get an option to create a new task as well from here and here, and over here on the right hand side you see the calendar events for that particular day right here. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the task section inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.